Guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got Madam Glam's August collection. The name of this collection is A Plus collection. Look at these. We've got some hollows. They look beautiful, don't they? We've got creamy colours. We've got all sorts in here. I love this one. So for any newbies out there or anyone that's not heard of Madam Glam before, just want to tell you a little bit about Madam Glam gels. So with these bottles you get 15ml in your glass bottles. You've always got your swatch on the lid, your colour name on the bottom. Now Madam Glam have created an amazing formula for their gels, especially for people that suffer with allergies like hema allergies and things. All their gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. If anyone does want to have a little look at the ingredients, you can have a little look there. So they cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. So we're going to start off by swatching them first. Then I want to have a little look at the colours, see what they're like. And then I want to do a little design using some of them. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I want to see them swatch first. And then I'll decide what I'm going to do. So let's get them swatched. So while I'm swatching them, I'm just going to pop a little bit of music on. Speed the swatches up. And then I'll pop back in once they've all been swatched and top coated. And we'll have a little look at them. So the first one we're going to swatch is Monday Blues. And that is them all swatched, guys. They're really smart, aren't they? Especially those hollow ones. I'm loving them hollows. All these creamy ones were one coaters apart from Morning Alarm, this red one. I did 2 coats on that, and I did 2 coats on the hollows as well. Them hollows are like really, really watery. I like them, I really like them. I love them in matte as well, you know. That green one is really smart, and I don't even like green normally. This is really, really smart, especially in matte. I like them. So that is them all swatched. I'm now going to think of a design what I want to do. I haven't got a clue what I want to do. Not the foggiest. So I think I'm going to go make a cup of tea, have a little think, and then I shall get set up and we'll get cracking. Right guys, so I've made a brew, had a little think, and I've pulled my red iguana hand out. Now, I really want to do a full-on freehand nail art design today. I feel like I haven't done a full-on freehand design in ages. So I've decided to do a back-to-school design today. Because Madam Glam's August collection is themed on the kids going back to school next month, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do this design. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to start off by giving the pointer fingernail and the ring fingernail a coat of Madam Glam's Bold White. Give them a cure. On the middle nail, we're going to use Science Lab. Give that a cure. And then on the pinky nail, I've pulled out Sundays, which is like a mustardy yellow. I'm just going to apply that to the top 2/3 of the nail. Like that. Give that a cure. So now I've pulled out Madam Glam's silver chrome liner gel. I'm just going to paint a band going straight across here. I love this liner gel, guys. It's amazing. It's so pigmented. Like that. Give that a cure. And then on the bottom bit of the nail, I'm going to use Treasure Book. Give that a cure. Now, while that's curing, I've pulled my palette out, and on my palette, I'm going to add a little bit of No Rules. A little bit of Madam Glam's black gel paint. Now I'm going into this No Rules. I'm going to paint some lines going down here. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. Give that a cure. Now I'm going to use Morning Alarm. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you
finally get a taste of the race. You'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Alright, I'm going to do a very thin coat of this, and then I will go in with a second coat because I don't want that to wrinkle in the lamp. And reds can be a bit hit and miss. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure, and then I will give it a second coat off camera. And then while that is curing, just want to pop a little bit of that red on my palette. Only a tiny bit, don't need a lot. Mix some of this No Rules with it. Add a little bit of black. And there we have a brown. Then I'm going to take that brown that we made, pop that in the lamp to cure, and then we'll use the green Guru for the leaf. Hoping that's going to be dark enough. Yeah, looks alright, doesn't it? Just like that. Give that a quick cure. While that's curing, I'm going to pop a little bit of Morning Alarm on my palette. Load my brush up. And while that's curing, I'll pop a little bit of Monday Blues on my palette.
I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine. Yeah, about to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Give that a cure. Right guys, so that is all the artwork done. I'm just going to seal all them in now. I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And then that is what they look like all finished, guys. What do you think? I think they're really cute. I think they're well cool. I kind of wish I'd probably done that apple in a shiny top coat. In fact, I might just quickly do that, you know. I might just very quickly do that. Yeah, shall we? I'll just quickly go in with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Ah, look, that looks better already, guys. Look at that. I really like that. That's really transformed that apple nail, I think. Right, give that a quick cure and then we'll come back and take a look at them again. There we go, guys. So that is them all finished. What do you think? I really, really enjoyed doing them. I do really enjoy doing freehand nail art every now and then, though. So these were right up my street. I loved them. Let's just have a look at the swatches again one last time. So we've got Monday Blues, No Rules, Green Guru, Morning Alarm, Art Room, Erudite, Science Lab and Treasure Book. So that is Madam Glam's August collection, guys, called A+ collection. It's available now on the Madam Glam website. I will leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments. I have also got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam, guys. You'll see is in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG35. I'll also pin that in my comments as well. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout and that will take 35% off your whole order. Everything that I've used today in today's design, all the names of the gel polishes, because these gel polishes are also available to buy individually as well. You haven't got to buy the whole collection if you don't like all of the colours. So I will leave the individual colour names and names to any other products that I've used in today's design listed down in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.